Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Cos Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 3 here in Asheville. We're doing some painting today because that's this girl's jam. We're going to do a kiss pour because I haven't done one probably in over a year or so, and I've got some yummy colors here that I want to use up. It's a little canvas. Well, it's a little for me. It's a 12 by 16 bought on sale. Don't you know, at Michael's, buy one, get two free. Good size canvas for fiddling on. And I've got some yummy colors. Let's start with this base coat or flood coat. Actually, it's going to be a base coat in this case because I'm doing multiple kiss pours. That's a pretty blue. And this is my slop bucket blue, and guys, it's probably got some turquoise in it, some phthalo blue, and probably even some brilliant blue in the G word, gouache, in the gouache paint, which is a very opaque paint. So this is really pretty. I think there might even be a little bit of pearl in there because I see some pearlescence, but base coat color a little bit thinner than our other colors. I just like a thin surface. I tilt it until there's no movement at all for my base coat because I just want a slick surface for our other paints to travel across. Let's talk about those other paints right here. DecoArt Metallics in the 24 karat gold, sweet gold, bossy gold, don't you know? Right here, my first fluid paint I ever bought, Golden Fluids in the Iridescent Pearl Fine. Yummy goodness right here, DecoArt Metallics, and that is their Garnett. This is a beautiful ruby red. And right next to it we have the prettiest turquoise out there, Golden Fluids in their Turquoise. And yummy goodness, Pebeo Studio Acrylics 359, the Iridescent Green Yellow. Look at that. Isn't that just as yummy as can be? Add a little brightness to this pour, and this is lovely. It reminds me of TLP as, oh, what is it? They're purple. Is it their sapphire? I don't know, but I don't have any, and I'm missing it right there. That is a combination of Golden Fluids in the phthalo blue and DecoArt Extreme Sheen in the sapphire. I used a little bit of this to tone this down just a little bit because it was a really bright in your face kind of blue. Our pouring medium today, the fluid paints, because they're more fluid. I put a little bit of paint in the bottom of my cup, and then I added just a tiny little smidgen, about a quarter of a teaspoon of the Liquitex gel gloss. Mix that up to thicken this paint up, and then I added my pouring medium. So I used the gel gloss on the fluid paints. Did not need to thicken up any of my tube paints or my DecoArt tub paints. And then everything got my pouring medium, a squirt of GAC 800, stir that up, and then my pouring medium, 50% Floetrol, American Floetrol, and 50% Liquitex pouring medium, the one with the black and gray label. Let's look at our consistency. It's thick. It leaves a mound on a mound. Yeah, these littler popsicle sticks, it doesn't roll off is good, but they're good and thick, like a heavy-duty cream rinse, I would kind of compare it to. So I'm out of big cups, so I only have little cups here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer 2 cups, and then I'm going to do a kiss pour after I put my base coat down, and then I'm going to layer 2 more cups and do another kiss pour because I am just learning how to manage these thick paints because this girl's used to thinner paints, and I sure am having a blast doing it, guys. What else do I have to tell you? yeah, that's it. It's a beautiful day today. Spent it with my beautiful husband-to-be and my Lido dog. The weather is perfect here, and I'm as happy as a pig in poop. Let's put some tunes on, guys. Let's get busy.
I can see it in your eyes. I can feel it in your touch. I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these broken pieces will be scattered in the wind. With it far too long. Some people change when they grow old, but I don't want to say that you've been wrong, because I'm not that bold. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. We're just broken people, will be scattered in the wind.